This is the Vornado vintage whole room heater, model V heat, color gunmetal, ordered from Costco.com. Let's unbox, take a look. So it's been a long journey. Read all the operating instructions. Here's the whole room heater owner's guide. Read and save these instructions. Multiple languages. We expect this product to be perfect. If it's not, we will make it right. Open it up, pull it out. Couple styrofoam pieces. Here's the unit. Whole room Vornado heater, vintage styling. This can go up this high. It can go down this low. On the back, very simple controls. Low, off, high. And then here's a dial between 1 and 10 for the thermostat. Very simple. Let's plug it in. So here we are. Let's put it on low and bring it up. This is at 4. Kind of clicked on a little bit. A little heat's coming up now. Not too loud. Just a little bit of the fan sound. Put it all the way up to 10. And a little heat. Not too much. Let's put it up to high. Kind of hear the sound now. Feels nice and warm. Definitely moving air, you can feel it. Cool. You can feel the air until about here. It's about maybe a yard or so. Yep, tilt it down. Then there's a safety feature here at the bottom. If it detects that it's off its base, like this thing unpresses, but then it automatically shuts off. 4 rubber bases here. Let's see, 120 VAC, 60 hertz, 1500 watts. Yep. It is in the back. Low, off, high. It's on high. Here's off. Here's low. And then here's the dial. Okay, I think it just kind of works as advertised. Here's the gunmetal color. Lights up so you know it's in operation. Okay, not too bad.